not that channel. I wish it was, but I talk about everything. So I'm gonna try to help you the best I can from based on what I know. Are you contributing to your 401k plan? That's a yes or a no. If you're not, you need to be at least trying to eventually get up to the max that they offer. So if they offer 3, you put in 3. That means automatic 3% on your money. Okay. Yeah, really motivated me. I got another channel. It's called Business Life with Kimmi. I just changed the name of it to Creators Club with Kimmi because I'm going in a different direction on that channel. I'm going to be teaching people how to make money. That's my new thing. Everybody needs to own something. If it's not the notary space, you have a skill set, you have something that you can talk about that other people ask you about all the time. Hey, how do you do this? How do you do your hair? How do you think all these hair people come about? All these hair products. Somebody's always asking, how do you do this? How do you do that? Okay, so we need to really focus, guys. I'm telling you, other people are making money out here. Kids, 15 years old, 13 years old, babies got channels now. Okay, babies got YouTube channels. They're making money. But this generation between like that, maybe 40s, even late 30s, kind of scary. But that 40 and 50-year-old, I don't know what we're gonna do. That's my new mission. Between 40 60 plus, because you still need money. You see people at Walmart, 80 years old. Welcome to Walmart. Some are there because they want to be, some are there because they have to be. Let me say that again. Let me say that one again. Some are greeters at Walmart because they want to be, and some have to be. It doesn't matter why you're there. It doesn't matter. Because I might decide I get 80. You know what? I'm going to go say hi to people because I just love talking to people. But there's a difference between me going to do it because I got to do it or because I want to do it. There's a big difference. So now is the time. It's never too late to start. It's never too late to start. So if you're 50 years old, 60 years old, yeah, you can start your notary business. Why could you not? What makes you so where you cannot? We have older people in our class and they're knocking it out the box. I'm like, I feel so proud to be on their journeys with them. I'm telling you. Connie says all is well. Great. Your sister was on the live, my girl. Yeah, Lisa. She was an incognito. That's Karen. She did ask. She remember she gave the you may not remember who she was, but she gave the point about I forgot. She added a gem last night. I forgot what it was about. Oh, going to the library if your computer wasn't working. That's what it was. Crystal says, I'm ready to join. Please give me info. Thanks. Yeah, check it out. NotaryEducators.com. NotaryEducators.com. Just simple as that. And there are a couple options. Like I said, you can choose the $27 entry point or $47. Take your time and read what's included in the, but again, all your core courses you need are in the $27 price point. You can always upgrade, but you got to wait till the next billing cycle, or you would just be paying for, $27 and $47 1 month. Totally up to you, however you want to do it. Okay. Connie says no gatekeeping. No, we don't. Crystal says, Connie, thank you. I really appreciate that. Connie's telling Crystal it's a worthy investment. Pastor Kimmi. Connie, no, girl, I'm not playing though, because I'm just watching these news reports and it's breaking my heart that so many people have their commission and they're not doing anything with it. They're struggling financially, okay? And I know what a difference notary has made in my life, even when I was just doing it part-time. Okay? I wasn't trying to do it as a business. I wasn't even trying to do it as a full-time business. When I started this, my husband was not a notary. And finally, I was like, you know what? You could be a notary too. So don't forget, guys, my niece Alexis, I told her about the business. So she's also a notary. Now she's working her full-time job, her dream job now. Being a notary is not everybody's dream job. It's not. Not for me, it is. I love it. I love it if you couldn't tell. But my niece, she's a trainer here. She has her full-time job. And then she still runs her part-time business. That part-time business help pay for all kind of stuff. It does. That's what I'm saying. Tell me in the chat. Well, I keep saying chat. In the comments, though, what could you do with $600? If you did it on the low end, that's why I'm saying $25 a day. And once you learn how to properly price, when I first started, I did not know how to price. So that's why I told my brother, oh, if I just charge $25, one document per day, 600. That was my goal. Little did I know, if you do $330 a day, that's 10,000 a month. Now I don't do 10,000 a month because, as I stated in my mentorship last night, I was very transparent. I'm always transparent with you guys. I don't run all over Atlanta doing jobs. I do not. I have like 3 to 4 counties I work in, and because Georgia is so huge, I'm usually busy enough there. Now, if I wanted to go next level, I could be like, yeah, give me that job in Atlanta, give me that job over in Savannah. I mean, because you can do the whole state, right? I get stuff from Ball. I think it's called Ball. It's not Ballpark, but it's Ball something, Georgia. It's about 2 hours away. I get that call all the time. It's not a, I don't know what's going on out that way. They must not have any notaries, but I don't travel that far. I have driven as far as 2 hours. I'm not above it. I'll do it if the price is right. I'll drive anywhere, but that's another story. CC said, yeah. So check out notaryeducators.com. They are all the way gone. Yeah, pensions are just about over. They are. It's a few people that have it. I'm happy for you. I don't have one. Absolutely, from Connie. That's the department I work in. Oh no, what, Connie? CC saying yes, ma'am. Don't leave no money on the table. Connie's right. I don't. Nah. I'm right with you, Kimmi. I know Connie. Connie been with us for a minute too. Before mentorship, Connie did one-on-one. So Connie's been in our space for a long time. So it is what you make of it, and everybody know that. And if you got a full-time job, we're not hating on that. Okay. I want to be very clear, because sometimes people are trying to make you feel bad that, oh, you working full time, or, oh, you working for the man. I don't do that. I believe all honest money is good money. Okay. I do. But only thing I'm in addition to that now, adding to this, not taking away, is that you gotta own something, guys. I'm tired of people. We rent our watches, we rent our cars, we have to rent our homes, right? We're renting everything. Everything you could put a payment plan on. And even for my business, people said, well, Kimmi, when I was selling the courses, can I break it up in payments? Can I do like Afterpay, the Klarna, and all this kind of stuff? I never offered that. I never offered that. As a business person, was that a poor decision? Perhaps. But I always work from an ethical standpoint where I can get myself in the bed at night and go to sleep. Always. I'm like, I wouldn't want no split pay for the next 10 years of my life on a course. No, I'm not going to offer that. I'm sorry. I don't. Never have. I won't say I never will, because sometimes the market will tell you what you have to do. But I have never offered any kind of split pay. I always try to keep everything affordable so you can own it. You own it. It's yours. Okay. If you buy a course, not that you got to take 10 years for the rest of your life trying to pay me back for something. No. And it's so funny because I am a Dave Ramsey person. And I remember one time I was going to buy his thing. This is years and years and years and years and years ago. And I was going to buy a book or something. I was going to put on my credit card. And he was like, it made a little joke or something, I think, when I went to try to pay for it. He said, did you really think we were going to let you pay with your credit card? And we teach no credit? No credit cards, So it was kind of like, I guess that would have been an oxymoron, right? But I was thinking he'd do anything to get the money. Nope. Nope. And no. And that's how I run my business. I don't do anything for money. I don't just roll out any product, anything I put my name on. I got a couple things right now just sitting on the back burner because I don't know if it's going to yield the results for you that I wanted to yield, or even for myself. So when I roll it out, that $27 membership, I was like, can I really get the people what they need? And I thought about it. I said, you know what? Why not they come to the live sessions too? Everybody comes to the live session. Because at first it was just going to be you could watch the courses, right? But I realized without that real live interacting piece of it, no, you got to have that live piece. You got to have somebody that's vested in there with you. So let's go to our next thing. Facebook, number 3. And I'm going to come back to comments again, okay? Number 3 is risk unauthorized practice of law. Many Facebook users give legal interpretations about document-specific instructions that notaries are not legally even allowed to do. So learning from that can get you in trouble. So if you don't know what UPL is, You probably need to be in mentorship. I'm gonna tell you what it is right now though, because that's how I roll.